Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's kick things off with currency. It's costing an average $156.78 for $1 US, $126.54 is the going rate for the Canadian, $213.13 for the pound, and $181.57 for the euro. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says it expects inflation in Jamaica to increase to 8.8% by the end of 2021. It has projected movement in prices to recede to 6.7%, however, in 2022. However, in its Article 4 mission statement published yesterday, the IMF said there are significant risks that inflation may be higher. The Washington-based financial institution said global inflationary pressures may last longer and be more intense than currently expected, and pass-through of global food and energy prices to local inflation may be stronger than projected. And remittances for Latin America and the Caribbean are to hit a new record high this year. Now, the World Bank projects inflows to increase by 21.6%, reaching $126 billion. Mexico, the region's largest remittance recipient, received 42% or $53 billion of the regional total. The value of remittances as a share of GDP exceeds 20% for several small economies in the region. Now back home, the JSE index lost 4,137 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 16 points. Among today's winners were KLE Group, Margaritaville Turks, Everything Fresh, Siboney Group and Fontana, while on the losing side were Caribbean Cement Company Limited, Paramount Shredding Jamaica, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, Epley Caribbean Property Fund and Jetcon Corporation. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. Regional and international news, they're after the break.